Good morning to all of you, my dear friends. I welcome to all of you in this video program. So in this video, we shall discuss regarding Right to Information Act 2005. So in this case, I may request all of you, please may have watch and share, subscribe this video in order to know another new video. So in this cases, what is RTI? What is the usability party? What is the act and rule of this RTI? We shall discuss very clearly. So first of all, my friends, as you know that, what is RTI? RTI is right to information. So this RTI or right to information has implemented across the nation 12th of October 2005. 12th of October 2005. So this RTI is a means, or this RTI is a weapons by which any citizen they can access any information from a public authority or government official, maybe state government, maybe central, whatever may be, across the nation. So this is the powerful, or this is the Apex Act in India, Apex Act in India, by which citizen can use and they can access any information from a public authority. So there are three phases of uses of this RTI. First one is the citizen, those who want to access any information from a public authority, he has to lodge the application form A with attachment of application fees 10 rupees in Odisha, 10 rupees and ID proof. Then when the application is received by the public information officer, that day onwards, within 30 days, he has to comply the request of the citizen. If in this request or in this answer, citizen is dissatisfied, then that day onwards, within 30 days, he has to appeal before the first appellate authority of the concerned public authority. That is Form E and post stamp fee 20 rupees. If it is online, then he has to deposit the appeal fees 20 rupees e-payment gateway system. This is the first appeal. And when the first appeal received by the first appellate authority of that concerned public authority, he or she has to dispose of this appeal within 30 to 45 days. And here also, if applicant or citizen dissatisfied before the first appellate authority, then there is another provision, that is the second appeal before the State Information Commission in Odisha, that is the Odisha Information Commission, that is the second appeal. That is Form E. And if it is physical, then the attachment of appeal fees, that is 25 rupees for stamp fee. And it is online, then he may deposit that is 25 rupees of e-payment gateway system. This is the procedure by which the citizen, they can go through the public authority in order to access information from a public authority, required information. So what is information? Everybody we know. That also we will discuss one by one. So any citizen, they can seek information. What is that? Any social development, any achievement of the government, whatever maybe, we can say that is social development, cultural development, economical development, health development, or economical development, or what is happening in the society, that is the total well-being of the society. That information, our right is that we have to know, because it is conducted by the government of India or government of Odisha. That's why our authority, our own will is that, or our power is that we can know what is going on behind the public authority, what is going on behind the government. That's why this RTI says that it is the transparency and accountability of the public authority. This RTI build up between the citizen and the public authority, that is the transparency and accountability, 100% accountability before the public authority. So this is the RTI. So we shall discuss one by one. Right to information. As you know that this Right to Information Act implemented in this India, that is 12th of October 2005. The meaning of RTI, what is the meaning of RTI? RTI means this is a fundamental rights or right to information. By using this right to information, any citizen, they can seek any information from a public authority, maybe your social development, cultural development, economical development, health development, or total well-being of the society. Since we are a citizen of India, we are casting vote, one man, one vote from the adult franchise. That's why it is our right to know what is happening in the society, what is happening in the government, what is happening in the public authority. This is given by the government of India. So, what is the global presence of this RTA? The first of all, this RTA started in Sweden, that is 1766. The name also that is to have access to information held by the government in Sweden. Then thereafter, the Finland, they started this RTA 1951. That is law on the public character of official documents by Finland. That is 1951. Thereafter, Denmark and Norway, they started this RTA in 1970. That is the freedom of information laws made by the country. This is the name of their RTA in Denmark and Norway. Then after your United States of America, they started this RTA, that is 1966. What is the name? Name was that is all non-secret information disclosable and disciplinary action mandate against officials for wrongful non-disclosure. This is the name of RTA in USA, right? Thereafter, United Kingdom, they started this RTA, that is in 2000. The name is that is Freedom of Information Act 2000, right? Thereafter, in India, our country, that is 2005, Right to Information Act 2005, that is 12th of October 2005, it is implemented. This is the global presence of this RTA. So, what was the basis of this RTA? In India, we shall discuss what is the basis of this RTA. There are three bases. One is your constitutional basis, second is your democratical basis, third is your logical basis. So first of all, we shall discuss the constitutional basis. Constitutional basis says that is Indian Constitution, that is Fundamental Rights Article 19, Sub-Article 1A says that is freedom of expression throughout the nation without any arm and ammunition. Any citizen, they have right to express their view before the government. Before the government, they can express their wanting before the government without any revolution, without any weapons, without any discrimination, right? So this is the constitutional basis. Then second one is that is democratical basis. So democratical basis that says that is government's powers flow from the people, because as a citizen of India, we are casting our vote, one man, one vote, because we are electing our leader in order to govern over the nation. For why? In order to administrate based on or in the basis of your what is the condition of a social, economical, cultural, political, moral, whatever may be in the society, what is needed, everything will be conducted by the government. That's why we are electing our government. This is the second basis, that is democratical basis. Then third basis, that is, it says that is, starting from IS officer to beggar of a street, we are all citizens, we are paying tax to the government in order to use it in different aspects by the government. That's why seeing at this three bases, our right is there to ask any question to the public authority and to seek any information from a public authority and involve in the public authority in order to implement the welfare activities of the government for the sake of the citizen. So this is the fundamental rights. This indicates or it implies that is RTI is a fundamental rights. Then what is the background of this RTI? Before starting this RTI, what was the background? I will explain before you that. First of all, initiative of the civil society, that is MKSS, Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan in Rajasthan. They demanded a master role. They demanded a master role in a public authority, that's especially your HRD department in early 19th by the leadership of the Aruna Rai. But that public authority, they did not provide that information. That's why they revealed before the government. This master rule should be given to the public in order to know. They have right to know what is the master, how it is, it has prepared. This is the first initiative. Then second initiative, that is 9 state government, they passed before RTI Act 2005, 9 state government. Before starting this RTI 2005, 9 state government in India, they have already passed their RTI. So in Odisha, that was the RTI Act 2002, including 9 state government, right? Then third one is that is Central Freedom of Information Act 2002 on basis of SDT Sauri Committee recommended. So SD Sauri Committee, they recommended RTI should be needed for the citizen. That's why after basing on that recommendation, the central government they released this RTI, that is Freedom on Information Act 2002. Then fourth initiative is that is international agencies, that is the World Bank or International Monetary Fund or CHRI, they promoted RTI, concept of good governance. This international agencies, they promoted RTI. RTI is a basic thing, or it provides the good governance to the citizen as well as the government, good governance. The next one is that is RTI 2005, that is NCPRA, National Campaign for the People's Right to Information, that is 1966, and National Advisory Committees recommended. RTI is needed for the citizen of India. They have to seek information from a public authority in order to build up the transparency and accountability between the people and the citizen, between the people, citizen and the public authority, between the citizen and the administration. Then the last, our apex court, that is the Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India. They gave a judgment by basing on the, several landmark judgment, and they pronounced that is RTI should be released or RTI should be given to all the citizens of India. So that day onwards, this RTI implemented across the nation, that is 12th of October 2005. This is the background of this RTI. So now we shall discuss what is the principles of this RTI, principles and objectives of RTI. The first and foremost principles of this RTI is access to information should be rule and denial to it be the punishment. The citizen, those who want to access any information from a public authority, he has to go through law. Means he has to fill up the form A and attach the application fees, 10 rupees, and attach the ID proof. If he has lodged application with rule, then PIO, he has not right to deny the application of the applicant. So this is the first and foremost principles. Access to information should be rule and denial to it with the punishment. The public information officer, those who deny this information to provide information, though it is under rule, then he will be punished. Then second principles of this act is the grounds of a denial to information be clearly and specifically mentioned. If public authority or public information officer, he don't want to provide information to the citizen, in this case, what is the bottlenecks, what is the constraints, what is the official secrecy, that has to be intimate to the citizen in due form, in due way, so that the citizen can be aware. So due to this cause, this information cannot be supplied. Then next is penalty provision for non-compliance to the demand of information or furnish false information by the officials. This is section 18 says that is. The public authority or public information officer, those who have provided or disclosed their information for the sake of the citizen, if it is non-updated data, destructive data, incomplete data, in this cases, the PIO will be penalized. PIO will be penalized because he is invoked under section 18. Though he received application, but he did not provide information. He did not receive application from a public authority, or he received application, he provided the incomplete information or non-updated data or destructive data. In these cases, PIO will be penalized under section 20 subsection 2. Next, another principles of this RTI is the independent grievance redressal mechanism. In RTI, there is the independent. PI has a right, and first appellate authority has a right, and citizen has also right. What is that? Citizen independently he can appeal before the first appellate authority or before the Odisha Information Commission. That is, sir, I have applied the application, but due time I did not get the information. That's why I have to be receive the compensation as per section 19 subsection 8B. Because detrimentally I suffered and I lost something else. He has right to say these things before the appellate authority, right? In these cases, PI has also right. So I received your application, but I could not provide you because I had given these things and the information is such a way information cannot be found. That's why I have intimated to my head of public authority, and this is the recording things. That's why I did not provide you. I could not provide you. He has also right to keep his view before the appellate authority. The first appellate authority or Odisha Information Commission, they have right. What is the right thing? What is the legitimate thing? According to that, they have to provide decision or verdict. In that case, it is said that is in RT only there is the independence. Citizen has independency, PIO has independency, commission or first appellate authority has independency. So this is the principles of this RT. Then what is the objectives of this RT? The main objectives of this RT bring about openness and transparency in the functioning of the government. This is the most important objectives of this RT. Then second objectives of this RT is curb corruption and ensure accountability of the authorities to public. Curb corruption, decrease the corruption, and make accountability before the citizen by the public authority. Then next one is make the governance more meaningful, democratic, and by facilitating involvement and participations of the people in the formulation and implementation of the policies and programs of the government. Every citizen, they can involve in the government side in order to implement the scheme, project, or program of the public authority for the betterment of the citizen or society. So this is the main objectives of this RTA. Then next we shall discuss what is the meaning and definition of this RTA. So Right to Information Act 2005, it empowers to all the citizens of India. What is that? They can seek any information from a public authority, from a government, or they can seek any information. They can ask any question. Then next, they can inspect any government works, document, and records, whatever they have in their public authority. This is the meaning and definition. Then second one, take notes, extract copy, or certified copies of the documents or the records. Any citizen from a public authority. Then next, take copies of any government documents. Any government documents. The next one is obtain information in form of maybe your printers, maybe your diskettes, maybe your floppies, maybe your tapes, video cassettes, or in any other electronic mode or through printers or CD, whatever in the, maybe your computer, maybe your pen drive, maybe your website, whatever the information we can, as a citizen, we can access. So this is the meaning and definition of this RTI. What is information? Before seeking information, before asking any question to the public authority, we have to know what is the meaning and definition of information. As per section 2F, it is said that information means any material in any form, maybe your records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advices, press release, circular, order copy, book, logbooks, contract reports, papers, samples, models, data materials held in any form. Any materials, maybe your soft copy or maybe your hard copy. This is treated as, or this is given as a meaning of information. This information we can seek from a public authority. So record indicates that is any document, manuscript, file, microfilm, facsimile copy of a document, image, any other material produced by a computer or any other devices, electronic devices. So this is also information. Then after information related to any private body, the citizen, they don't have right to ask any question or they don't have right to access information from a public authority. That's why it is given that is information relating to any private body which can be accessed by a public authority under any other law for the time being in force. For the time being in force. Meaning that is the public authority, we have to seek information, any information, and the public information is vested under the private agency, private organization. In these cases, the authority of the government, they can access information from that private body and they can provide to the citizen. This is the meaning and definition of information as per section 2 subsection A. It is very clearly mentioned, right? So now we shall discuss to whom we shall seek information, from where we can seek information, or to whom we can ask question. To a public authority. In a public authority, there are public information officer, there are assistant public information officer, there are first appellate authority. To them, we have to ask information. To them, we have to go through them in order to access information from their public authority. That's why it is said that is what is public authority. Public authority means any institution, any office or organization which has constituted with the rules and regulations of the government, maybe state government or maybe central government. And simultaneously, they are getting some financial contribution, maybe partially or fully, in order to continue their public authority. That is called your public authority. So in Odisha, only government officials, they are treated as a public authority. So as a citizen of India, we can, or a citizen of Odisha, we can seek information from Odisha. That is the only government public authority. In India also, only government public authority. Only government public authority, not government officers. We can seek information. So today we shall conclude this video in this chapter. Then another video we shall discuss next. That is the chapter how we shall apply the information, on what is the procedure to apply the information. We shall discuss next week in video. So in these cases, I will request all of you, please watch and visit, go through this video and share, like, subscribe for getting another new video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.